So, this is the part 2 of the video. Stay connected till the end to watch the part 1 of the video. 6. Become a virtual assistant. When we say assistant, don't get this stuffy idea in your mind of working in a cubicle performing mundane tasks. An assistant can be the backbone of a whole company, which is why businesses are looking for more virtual assistants these days. There is a huge demand for virtual assistants pretty much everywhere. You can work at home as an assistant and earn $25 per hour. You can have a few clients on your work schedule too based on your availability. Per client, you may work a few hours a day and have flexible hours, making this a perfect side hustle if you're a stay-at-home mom. If you are looking in the right places, you'll have an easy time securing clients and offer your services to a variety of businesses. Being a virtual assistant will look different for each client, but it will include supporting business owners and taking on tasks they don't have time for. Examples of services you can offer as a virtual assistant include answering emails, social media management, data entry, scheduling appointments, graphics design, writing newsletters, creating content, etc. 7. Launch an online store. Are you a creative individual? E-commerce stores are booming with sellers who have a unique creative flair and can satisfy a client's wants and desires. Whether it be Etsy, eBay, or Shopify, you can build a company and make money doing it. Etsy has grown by over 2 million users over the last year. Setting up an Etsy store can sometimes be guaranteed money with how many people are on their online marketplace. If you can sew or paint, you are already lucky and have good chances to earn money online. You can do custom orders or have your own work for sale. This is the perfect side hustle if you want passive income with less effort than running your own website or shop on other platforms. You don't have to reinvent the wheel to be successful. You can learn from free resources, like the ePrintables ebook, and get the step-by-step process of launching a successful digital printable shop. We just launched our very own Shopify business using the things we learned in this course. After the first month of running our shop, it has brought in $1,500 to $2,500 per month passively. We have even had months where we have made over $30,000 from our shop alone. Plus, using Shopify streamlines so much you don't have to be actively involved in sales. Your work is in your shop, and sales are processed and shipped by Shopify. Start a flipping side hustle. I can almost guarantee you have $500 to $1,000 worth of stuff lying around your house that you can sell for money. This side hustle is perfect for those of you looking to declutter your lives and live a minimalist lifestyle. Take some time to go through your closets, basement, garage and collect anything that you no longer need or want. Then simply list it on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Boom, you just started a flipping side hustle. You can also find free items to clean up or fix and sell online, which is basically all profit you for. If you like to garage sale or shop in thrift stores, you can also find hidden treasures that are super cheap and can resell for a lot more. Our friends Robbie and Melissa are actually professional flip. 9. Teaching English online. Have you ever dreamed of the day you can roll out of bed, head into your home office, and make money working from home? Well, look no further. This is probably my favorite side hustle of all time because I did it myself for some extra income and had a very rewarding experience. VIPKID is a company that hires US English speakers to teach their students in China and other countries. They are a top-rated company on Glassdoor, and recommended by most of their employees because of their great experience tutoring. When you teach English online with VIPKID, you could possibly teach anyone who may want to learn, but most students range in age from 3 to 12 years old with a variety of English-speaking abilities. We recommend this job to anyone who has good rapport or patience with kids. Being a tutor can be a fun job and an interesting part of your day. It sure was for me. Plus, you don't need to be a teacher or have any classroom experience but are required to be an English speaker with a bachelor's degree. The pay varies from $14 to $22 per hour depending on experience, education, and performance. It's a great hourly rate, plus you get monthly incentives to make more money as a tutor. 10. Tutor other topics. Do you have a degree or other area of expertise that you can capitalize on? You can tutor online with any kind of subject. This side hustle idea is a gift that keeps on giving because your tutoring is only as limited as your skill set. Teach people how to sew or cook. Tutor students in chemistry and algebra. The possibilities are endless. This is a great way to be your own boss, control what hours you work, and if you're already a teacher, You are in charge of your entire curriculum. Such power, all in your hands. Want to earn $20 or more per hour? If you tutor for standardized tests, like the ACT or SAT, you have many potential clients and can charge even $30 per hour. You can start by teaching within your social circles and get your name out by word of mouth. If you want to earn more as a tutor and have more students, you could start a Facebook group or page dedicated to your classes. More clients make for a more successful side hustle. You can tutor over Skype or video chat platforms if you want to keep it all online. As long as your pupils can get some one-on-one time for good learning, you have the perfect side hustle lined up. I hope you like the content. Please hit the red subscribe button and check out some more of our content on money making and investing.